Men stunned after spotting ship floating across the sky. Colin McCallum witnessed the surreal ordeal on Friday, February 26th, off the Aberdeenshire coast as he travelled through Banff in Scotland. The 23-year-old filmed what can be only described as an optical illusion and shared it online alongside photos. In the video, the red ship can be seen floating in the sky, though its bottom half is nowhere to be seen. Colin captioned one of the pictures, "Saw a real-life optical illusion in Banff today. People have since expressed their confusion regarding the boat and how it appeared to float in mid-air." One person commented on the post, "I genuinely can't understand what is going on here," while another of Colin's Facebook friends called it brilliant. Explaining his initial thoughts, Colin said, "When I first saw the boat, I had to do a double take because I genuinely thought it was floating. Upon further inspection, however, I noticed that it was in fact just a remarkable optical illusion." He soon realized what he was looking at. However, as Colin explained, the optical illusion was caused by cloud formation closer to the shore, which changed the color of the water closer to the land. The boat being further away was in cloudless area, and therefore the sky reflected the sea, making it look like the boat was floating. In the meantime, I wouldn't be surprised if Colin gets a call from Ripley's asking for the footage to be featured at their Believe It or Not attractions.